Today is May 2nd, Friday, and it's about 11:45 a.m. and I'm at Banh Meat Cafe. Heard pretty good about their sandwiches over here, and then yeah, right on Liliha Street. Yeah, and right here. Yep, they do have parking, which is right on the back of their store. There's store number 3 and 4, and then of course they also have a handicap, right? All right, so all right, let's go and see what they got available. Alright, so I'm looking at the menu, and right here, Saigon Special, barbecue pork, barbecue chicken, vegetarian. Oh, so those must be the sandwiches. $11.99. Yeah. Okay. I'm presuming right now. Not sure. Okay, so probably gonna try. I would like maybe barbecue pork, but maybe Saigon Special. I will find out. Yeah, I ordered Saigon Special, and it's supposed to be a liver pate sandwich. Okay, so wow, looking at that. Okay, so there's a photo of the sandwich, and I'll wait. People in line waiting behind. So I'll continue once I get my sandwich. Looking at this place, yeah, people just keep coming. It's a quick order, takeout. Many of them order on the phone. Yeah. Just looking at this. Yeah, it's a McDonald cross. Actually today I came to get Jane Fountain Drive, but I couldn't find a park. Now there's a parking across the street. Next time. Okay, then I feel okay. This is where I ended up. Jane's Fountain right up there, right? So one day I get to try. All right, so it's a small place. Yeah, gotta take a look around, and from here, Liliha Street. Yeah, number 13 bus going to Waikiki. Then, yeah, it's a small place, There's Bella, and people just keep coming, order, take out. Yeah, and Liliha Street. So, okay. And continue on when I'm waiting on my sandwich. Okay, here you go. Here's a plaque, reserve parking stall. So there's a stall number Banh Mi 5 and 8. Yeah, that's for the parking. Alright, so stall number 5 and 8. And of course, you can use the handicap if you have the handicap sign. Alright, I'm at Ala Moana Beach Park. Right here, you can see, and it's a beautiful day. And right here, got a table, picnic table, and there's an event going on. Groups, yeah. I'll take a look later. But now, my sandwich from Banh Mi. All right, let me get that ready. Okay. Okay. So continuing on, let's take it out, and then here we go. Ooh, scotch tape. So it's a bag. Okay. Here's my sandwich. Yeah, I didn't bring fly fan because I think this, shouldn't be so bad. This right here sandwich, okay, and looks good. All right, so okay. Flies. Okay, I was wrong. I should have brought the fly fan, but okay, it's okay. Let's take a look. Yeah, supposedly the liver, carrot, vegetables, and okay, I'm not sure what that is. A cucumber, a little bit of onions too. Oh yeah. So as you can see, let's take a look. It's good. Wow, the meat is really good, and with the vegetables. Oh yeah, this veggie, it gives out the same taste when you're eating the pho. You use that vegetable you put in. It has the same taste. Wow, that's really good taste. Can't remember the name right now. The vegetable. Wow, that really made it good. Yeah, the taste, the vegetable when you put in the pho, and you get that taste. That's what it is. Wow. And this is a Saigon special. Yeah. Oh, okay. The cucumber. It's not just cucumber. It's been seasoned in vinegar. Not too strong. I can taste it. Wow. Ah, this is just right amount. And the quality of the taste is so good. No wonder people keep going back. Yeah, they got all the return customers just keep buying from them. This is definitely a quality sandwich. Oh yeah, flies. Oh my goodness, I should have brought the fly fan. Ah! Yeah, I wasn't thinking right. I thought I didn't need it. It's okay. One hand acting as a fly fan, or the other hand, I'm holding the food. Definite. I don't want a beach park over here. Yeah, definitely need fly fan, whatever I'm eating. Yeah, the bread is toasted, so crunchy, moist also. Yeah. All right. Wow. Going quick. Wow, really good taste. Yeah, right ingredient. They really got a perfect match out of this. Yeah, I mean, if you like pho, eating pho with those vegetables, right? Yeah, you get that pho vegetable taste. Mm, right mixture. Hmm. Yeah, now I can see why they're so busy. People keep returning. Yeah, this is definitely a taste that I can get used. I mean, I'm already used to it. Mm. Yeah, and even though there's a little meat, and what they say was a liver patel, tastes really good, you know, and so much vegetables and such. It's a healthy food. Wow. They do have a seasoning. I mean, I'm not sure what that is, but really good. And yeah, cucumber tastes not too much, but a little bit marinated in vinegar, but still more fresh. Maybe it's the seasoning they put that's giving out that vinegar touch. But overall, it's really good. Mm. The taste wise, I really gotta say, wow. This is one of the best sandwiches I've eaten. You know? I mean, it's different from capriotti's yesterday. Yeah. This had more vegetables. Mm. Wow, that's it. This was really good. Okay. And thank you for watching.